Go, girl.
Whoa, what's that? Get your booty into it.
Are you headbanging? This one's kind of slow. What kind of dance you got for this song? She's too entertained with the hanger. Oh, you're going to put panties on? Those are your bloomers.
Got it.
You need to start wearing panties.
You almost got, there you go.
No, good job. Pickle. I love your diva sweater.